Hello everyone, in this video how to invert solid color in Photoshop. First of all, apply method on, select solid color layer, shape like shape, icon, png, text, etc. Then click the layer tab, new adjustment layer, invert color. Click OK and apply method 2. Select the solid layer, click FX or double click FX color overlay, change your color, then select background layer, solid color, choose your solid color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.